To make your crazy hairline drawing, start off by drawing a face. You can draw a girl, a boy, whatever you want to draw. After you have a face, go ahead and start drawing some crazy hair by making different line types. So you can think of zigzag lines, curly lines, dash lines, straight lines, thick, thin, fancy, whatever you can think of just to make that hair. And as you can see, I'm making the hair go all the way up to the edge of the page. So have fun making lines and fill up your whole space. I'm almost done with my drawing. You can do this however you want. Maybe you want to make a beard instead of hair, or you can do it like on an animal too. But I hope you had fun doing this, and now you can color.